Here I have ALCATEL 1B, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device using the secret code. Wow! So how we can do it? We have to open our phone application, open keypad on it, and enter the secret code, which is *2886#, and enter this ALCATEL mobile phones testing menu. Then go to the manual test. And here we can select an option, factory reset, and then tap reset. Yes, I'm sure. And after that your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.